friends, it's Mrs. Davis and Buddy. I hope you guys are having a great afternoon, my mighty mathematicians. Today what we're going to do is we're going to practice a little bit in numbers and operations in base 10 blocks. We're going to practice adding ones and making a new 10, and we're going to practice adding tens and making a new hundred. So here we go. Okay friends, so when you're adding, the numbers you actually add, like this 8 and this 6, are actually called addends. Can you echo that word? Addends. Good. And then the total, or the answer, is the sum. Like 8 plus 6 are the addends, and the sum is 14. Often you will need to regroup. That means to replace one amount with another amount of the same value. So you can regroup 10 ones as a 10. 10 tens are the same as 100, and you can regroup 10 tens as 100 as well. So here we go, adding 10 ones and making it into a 10, and adding 10 tens together to make 100. Let's practice together. Lai picked 64 apples. Tim picked 58 apples. How many apples did Lai and Tim pick in all? So we're going to use this place value chart, and we're going to practice using the place value models with 10 sticks and ones to represent. So we have 6 tens and 4 ones to represent Lai's. So there's 6 tens and 4 ones. And then we have 5 tens and 8 ones. So here we have 5 tens and 8 ones to represent 58 that Tim picked. So step 2 tells us to add the ones. We're going to see if we can make a new 10. So we have 8, and we need 2 more to make a 10. So as you can see down here, they were able to make and regroup 10 ones and make a new 10, okay? And so instead of having 12 ones all together, we now made a new 10, so we have 2 ones left over, and we made a new 10. So when we make a new 10, we need to make sure we regroup and put it in the tens column. All right, friends, after we have regrouped the ones and made a new 10, what we're going to do is see if we have enough tens to make a new 100, and we do today. So we have 6 plus 5 plus 1 more. I know that 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 1 more would be 12. But instead of just writing 12 right here, what we can do is we can regroup 10 tens and make a new 100. So I made my new 100. Sometimes I like to put a new 100 up there as well. So I have regrouped my tens, and I made a new 100, and I have 2 tens, 1, 2, left over. So that's where I'm going to put my 2, and now I've made my new 100 right here, and that's what I'm going to put over there. So all together, Lai and Tim picked 122 apples in all. Sometimes you can also add numbers mentally, so you can find the sum for 35 plus 40 plus 30. What you can do for the first strategy is to group numbers that are easy to add. For example, I know that 40 plus 30 it's pretty easy to add mentally. 4 tens plus 3 tens equals 7 tens. So I know 40 plus 30 equals 70. And then don't forget that leftover 35. You would add 35 to 70 and add the third number. And this is how you could add 35 to 70. You can count on by tens, then add the leftover ones. So I'm at 70 right now, and we need to add 3 tens and 5 ones. So let's go ahead from 70, we're going to count on with 3 tens, 80, 90, 100. And then we're going to add on 5 ones. So we're at 100, and we have to add on not just 30, because remember that's 30, we have to do 35, okay? That's because we're adding 35, okay? So now we've already added 30, but we have to add that leftover 5. So I'm at 100 after I've had 70 plus 3 tens, I'm at 100 now. And so I know that 100 plus 5 equals 105 to give me 35 plus 40 plus 30 equals 105. Go ahead into Schoology, friends, and try to do a few on your own. I can't wait to see all of your hard work.